Poondi. Poondi, the beauty-decked small village situated in Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu, is situated near the beautiful hill station Kodaikanal. Poondi is about 40 kilometers away from Kodaikanal, the journey to which is a feat of scenic abundance. Bordering on both sides of the path are giant eucalyptus and pine trees. The visuals of intermittent small waterfalls freshen our mind. The first place we reach on our journey is Palayil viewpoint. On days when there is not much mist in the hills, one would be blessed with the divine darshan of Palayil temple from here, which undoubtedly is an incredible feel. The further journey takes us to Kukal Lake. The hillock around the lake provides a mesmerizing feel. On a clear day, one can see the beautiful reflection on the bluish, glittering, crystal clear water surface in the lake. By the shore of the lake, tourists can enjoy a 6-kilometer long trek through a well-maintained track. Mannavannur Eco-Tourist Spot is the next stopover, a lovely place about which description lacks words to admire the fabulous visual treat of this place. Provides a bracing feel for mind and soul alike, a feel which blends into the infinite world of scenic fantasy, created in such a way to protect the ecological balance. Boat ride and horse ride provides the much required entertainment for tourists at this spot. Further journey takes us to our destination tourist spot Poondi, a significantly different place from other tourist spots. Greenery is the key word to explain the elegant beauty of Poondi. Poondi is flanked on the south by Bodinaikanur Taluk, Priyakulam Taluk on the eastern side, Theni Taluk on the northern side, and Devikulam Taluk on the western side. We will be taken aback to see the hills being flattened to pave way for terrace farming in this place. The main cultivation is garlic, known in Tamil Nadu as Poondu, which we can presume may be the reason for this place being known as Poondi. The battles which took place in the valley of Palayil Hills during the period of royal rulers led the residents who lost the battles to become settlers in Pompara and Poondi Hills. After 1800, the Britishers who started various organizations at Kodaikanal used the paths created by these settlers for their transportation. This little beautiful village is devoid of all the hustle and bustle of tourists, and Poondi remains a calm, serene location. A view from the top shows the infinite extent of cultivated land as a green carpet with cluster of few small houses in between. Vegetables required for neighboring states are one among the major cultivation of this village. Let's go on an off-road drive. To enjoy a few more places at Poondi, an adventurous drive is a must. Small check dams, rivulets, and water bodies adds glory to this pleasant journey. A world of nature in abundance, which is more than invigorating. Naming Poondi as a tourist spot is something which will belittle this place since Poondi provides not only a visual treat but a feel of pleasantness. People of this village who shower immense affection even on strangers is not just a small message.